How to get Asset ID in Roblox Catalog on iPhone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to get the Asset ID of an item from the Roblox Catalog on your iPhone, so you can easily copy the ID and use it wherever you need. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick Roblox tutorials. First, open Safari on your iPhone and go to the Roblox website. Now, find the catalog item you want and open its item page. Once the item page is open, tap the Share button at the bottom of the address bar. From the Share menu, tap Copy to copy the webpage link. Now, open your Notes app and paste the link. Look for the number in the Roblox URL. This number is the Asset ID for that item. Press and hold the number, then tap Copy. And that's it. That's how you can get the Asset ID from the Roblox Catalog on your iPhone. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick Roblox tutorials. See you in the next one.